What's up, YouTube? I thought I would do a quick video here, show you something that I just acquired. That was about a week ago, but as you guys know, I've been working up on my workshop here. We had some water damage, we had the water heater replaced, a couple of other things, so I didn't get to do a video. I will probably post before video. Before pictures in the beginning of this video, and then you guys can see the after. Probably gonna know from the title. Probably, I'm not sure what I'm gonna title, but it is a revolver, and I just made a holster for it. So if you can see, holster's done. Very good retention on it. Very easy to draw. Go back. Alright, so it is Smith & Wesson Model 10-10. This was, I bought this from Bud's actually. I have about 4 guns coming in from Bud's within the next couple of days. I actually go pick up a couple tomorrow. So I'll have some reviews on those. I bought this as a police trade-in, I believe so. This was a Model 10-10. This I called Smith & Wesson. That was made in 1980. It is a bull barrel, 38 special. Can handle a plus B and all that. And of course, it's not going to look like this. So I'm going to show you the video, and again, the video. You'll see the pictures. This was blued, so took it to the stainless, refinished it. The stainless. The wood grips were kind of in a bad shape, so I ended up putting a Hogue on it. It's really good. Gives you a good purchase, good hold on the pistol, on the revolver here. So try to get the camera to focus. What do you think? When it came, it had some pitting, some rust, and I was going to blue it, but I thought stainless would look really good. And I didn't use any sandpapers or anything. I put rust and blue remover on it, and polished it with a buffing wheel. The lockup, very, very tight. Minimal play for a pistol that it's 33 years old, or a revolver. It's a great. Now, guess it wasn't shot that much. The rifle in is pretty much almost brand new here. I don't know if you can see any. You're probably not going to be able to see the rifle in. So it's all stainless now. I managed to screw up while I'm doing this. So right now, if you can see, the revolver functioned fine, but the problem is right now is, see, so the plunger and the plunger spring, those flew somewhere. I believe when I was polishing it, I didn't take that out. That was the only part in, and now they're out. So I'm gonna be calling Smith & Wesson to get those somehow, or get the part number. I know I looked at different schematics, and I just want to make sure we get the right ones. But yeah, it's just a plunger and the trigger. I did a trigger job on it. So let's get this back here a little bit. So from double action, we're looking at about 6 pounds. Single action, nothing. It's butter. But yeah, that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. Tomorrow we'll have a great video coming in with a new pistol, very unique pistol. So again, holsters right there. If anybody's interested in purchasing a holster, let me know. Lifetime warranty, and it costs you very much nothing. Not like anybody out there. Now I did this feature on it, so you can't pull the hammer in while it's in the holster, so safer. Okay, guys.